when a live unit surround is installed, you get much more than just cameras. You also get all of the deterrent capabilities that are built into each one of these head units. Each one includes a pan-tilt spotlight. When an event triggers the spotlight so that it turns on, they also have a coordinated motion, which really draws a lot of attention to it and lets people know that this site is being protected. Every head unit includes these RGBW strobes as well. The strobes can change color and also cadence on a triggering event. So for example, if the unit wants to send a type of warning, the strobe lights may have a similar flashing pattern to this, but be a yellow color. If there's an urgent alert, they may turn red and have a very fast pulsing pattern. Built inside of this new form factor is our speaker that can play preloaded messages, or it can also use our AI-generated talk down. And then we have flexible options for what cameras can be attached to it. This one here shows a multi-sensor panoramic camera. The unit behind me shows the same panoramic camera, but also some longer range PTZs attached to that head unit.